Playtex Diaper Genie Disposal System Refills 960 by Playtex is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. What's the secret to a sweeter smelling nursery? The Diaper Genie, it's better than an ordinary pail and trash bags at preventing odors. The manufacturer's 7-layer refill provides barrier technology that locks in odors and germs. Diaper Genie pails and refills are made for each other, so don't trust your nursery to anything else. After all, the #1 selling diaper pail brand deserves the #1 selling refill. 7-layer odor protection. Out of smell, out of mind. The unscented Diaper Genie refill bags feature 7 layers that work together to lock in diaper odors. The refill works as a system with either the Diaper Genie Elite Diaper Pail or Diaper Genie Essentials. But most importantly, it works with your lifestyle. Holds up to 270 newborn diapers. Although you may not want to collect over 270 dirty diapers, it's nice to know you can. The Diaper Genie refill can hold up to 270 newborn diapers, which means less trips to the trash bin. You'll always know when a Diaper Genie refill needs replacement. A black indicator line will tell you when the refills are almost out. So, keep 'em coming, baby. The Odor Lock refill features 7 distinct layers that work together to lock in diaper odors. Works with Diaper Genie Elite, Essentials and Mini Diaper Pails. Each refill holds up to 240 newborn diapers. Black indicator line lets you know when it's time to replace the diaper pail refill bag. Built durable, Diaper Genie refills are designed for odor lock system performance.